Hey geography students, it's Mr. Backus here with the most important video you will watch all year. It is the video on how to set up your notebooks for world geography. What you need for the notebook, you need three things. You need a notebook itself. Specifically, you need a single subject notebook. I will be collecting these and grading them overnight occasionally. If you have all of your classes in one notebook, I might be prohibiting you from doing work in other classes because I have it overnight. So you need a single subject notebook to avoid any issues with multiple subjects. And then just as important as a notebook, you need a writing utensil every single day. We'll talk about that in class. It is very important to me that you come prepared for class. I don't expect much. A notebook, a pencil, and a device. On top of that, I would always check your homework sheet and daily agendas because those are going to help you better fill out your notebook. All of our notebooks are going to be set up the exact same way. Since by the end of the semester, it is going to look something like a textbook. The first page is going to be a table of contents. The table of contents will be updated as we go through the semester. If you wanted, you could pause right now and you could write these down in your notebook. On the left side of the red line that goes down each and every notebook, you have page numbers. As we work through our notebook, you're going to have different pages, and that is going to help us better as a class navigate through our notebooks. And then on the right side, you're going to have the lesson titles. All of my lessons are set up a number, a decimal, and a number. The first number is the unit we are on. So in this case, all of these are 1 point something, so they're all part of unit 1. And then the second one is your lesson number. So we have Unit 1, Lesson 1 is maps. Unit 1, Lesson 2 is geographical boundaries, and etc. If you are looking for how to fill out that table of contents, maybe you missed a day and you don't quite know where we are. If you look at the homework sheets over here on the right side of my paper, or I'm sorry, Rockspace page, you can see that for each unit of homework, I have the table of contents listed to the right. So you can always go ahead and find what unit and lesson we're on. And as we go through, we are just going to add a page for each lesson that we do. Now, if you turn from the table of contents, you can sort of see it bleeding through in my notebook here. If you turn to the next page, we are going to start with page number 1 on the left side, page number 2 on the right side. Page number 1, and every single odd page that we do, those are where your homework notes should go. You can use any notes you take on videos or readings that I assigned for homework and use them on your homework quizzes. So if you take notes for homework, you can use your notebooks and any notes you take on the left side for those homework quizzes. Then on the right side, which you will leave blank the night before class, when we get to class, we will use that right side for in-class notes and activities. If I have you guys taking notes on definitions, they'll go on the right side. If I ask you to brainstorm with a partner and write down your responses that you came up with together, I'll have you do that on the right side. So each lesson that we have, you will have homework notes on the left side of your notebook and in-class notes on the right side of your notebook.